All right, I'm recording it now. So you guys, this is your first present for Christmas.
No, open your present.
All right, go ahead and open up your present, guys.
Open your present.
Go on, Lily.
There you go.
No, just put it down.
Oh. Look at that. What?
Why are you laughing? Open your present, Lily. Hurry up.
Come on, Lily.
Open it, Kayla.
Santa Claus dropped off 2 presents for you guys.
What's in there, Kayla? What did Santa bring you?
What'd you get?
With 2 bites on it.
I switched it all around and it's
Oh my gosh, Santa must have been hungry.
ended.
Yeah.
Let me-
Okay.
All right, Lily, what'd you get?
Open it.
No, go over. No, go over there and open it.
I can't open
Can't
it.
Okay,
talk.
there, I got it.
So what?
Is this it?
What is it? What'd Santa give you? You love peanut butter
Aren't you so
sandwich.
excited? You love peanut butter sandwiches.
That's your favorite kind of sandwich.
Lily, hurry up and open your present.
What is that? Plus it's 2 bites in it.
I don't know.
Take a
Open
bite.
it.
Who do you think took a bite of it?
Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Open it.
Do you like your present?
What's in there?
Open it.
A potato. Potato.
Oh my god, it's Mr. Potato Head.
Lily, you got Mr. Potato Head.
Look, hurry. Open it.
Food.
It's Mr. Potato Head. Let me see. Look at his face. Turn it around.
Watch out, Kayla. Do you like your present?
Look at Mr. Potato Head.
Oh, right. Oh, boy.
Give her her present, Kayla.
Give her her present.
Oh. In a minute. In a minute.
You don't want
Why?
that present?
No.
Why?
What?
Where'd it go?
She's in it.
What?
She's in it. Let's open a more present. More present.
No, don't you? You gotta look at your present. You only get one.
In a minute.
Why?
No, in a minute.
That's your present from Santa.
Kayla,
She was hungry.
all right, girls, show me your presents that you got.
Show Joy your present.
Do you like your present?
Yes.
You like your present?
Are you gonna
Good.
eat it?
Lily, let me see your present. Do you like your potato?
Yeah, in a minute.
You don't want it? Why?
Why don't you want your potato?
I don't want potato.
Why?
Kids.
Because why?
Let's open a more present.
You want to open it? Well, you can't.
Let's open the more.
That was the best present.
That was your only present.
That's the only one you
In
get.
a minute.
You were bad today, so that's all.
In a minute.
Why?
Because.
Because why?
In
Well-
a minute.
Well, if you're not good, then Santa's not gonna bring you anything else.
Oh, treat.
She's mad.
Why don't you go play with your potato? All right, girls.
Okay.